This is number 2010 Sharp Eye Channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns North, Pyramid North. My brother, how do you feel about the game namhlanje?
Ngiyabonga kunjani
Shako
mfethu?
njani futhi?
Angikhona.
Eyithada.
Khuluma noHotso
Eyithada
from Centurion and State.
Eyithada.
Indoda kaMasichaba.
Yeah.
I'm happy about
Umashawo yena okwenza ukuthi ugqoke kanje.
nguye uMasichaba ongenza ngigqoke kahle.
Eyithada.
Indlovukazi yami.
That's all. So it's in the game.
But it was a very complicated game.
Yeah.
Pyramid is a very good, tactically they are very good.
Yeah.
I don't know how they lost from that team from Tanzania.
Yes.
I don't know, but they are very compact. But the substitution that we made today,
Yeah.
they nearly costed us, but it was a good atmosphere. Pyramid gave us the run for our money, but we could have beaten them.
Yeah.
The official they didn't help.
That's the thing. Yeah.
Yeah, we should have won the game. We had a penalty, they had a clear card,
They didn't give it to you.
but they didn't give it a
Even
time.
that offside, but the offside. Yeah.
In fact, we could have won the game, but we understand. We've traveled Africa a lot.
Yeah.
I've been on an aircraft for so many times.
Traveling
Yes,
with the team. Yeah.
yes. But the thing is, the officials in African continent, I'm surprised. In fact, tell me, Ngobo,
Yeah.
was it the VAR screen there?
No, there was no VAR. They were supposed
But
to at least make all the CAF games. They were supposed to make sure that they put them there so that
Yes.
Yeah.
But to cut long story short, we know what's happening in Africa.
yeah.
It happened in Loftus today. We got dropped.
Yeah.
But it's fine. We take 1 point, we move on. But
Yeah.
we're gonna go to the knockout stage.
Yeah.
It's fine. In Egypt, mark my words.
Make sure that at least you go there and you score goals. Eh?
No, but let me tell you one thing.
Yeah.
I'll remind you
Yeah.
again. We're gonna win in Egypt
Yeah.
against Pyramids.
Beautiful.
We're gonna win that game.
Yeah.
Bafetu. This was not supposed to be. We could have won this game.
At least
We
you
got
are at home,
lots
yeah.
of enemies in this country.
Yeah. Who are going to mock you and all that?
You know, they coming
Because you
from
know-
south of Gauteng.
Exactly.
They know where they come.
They'll come and tell you that
From
hey,
Naturela.
this and this and this. Yeah.
Yes, they're
Yeah.
coming from that side. We cannot talk about those people because they don't play beautiful football, but it never happened. I was born in 1981,
Yeah.
but there's no team in this country that ever won 10 games in a row.
In a row. Yeah.
But kunabantu angifuna ukuba mention amagama
Yeah.
because
But
the 20 zami scratchy or indlu yami iphula amawindi.
Yeah, win about 13 games in a row.
No, azange. Which year was that?
Ngesikhathi ubuya ubashaya igcineni.
No, azange. It never happened.
Hamo research uphinde ubuye
Not in our lifetime.
Yeah.
Since the PSL was established in 1995.
Yeah.
Since 1995, there's no team.
Yeah.
1995, many Rangers took the league.
Asambe senza research.
Yes, yeah.
Wednesday mina nawe sobesila
I'm
and
telling
then
you.
sizotshelana ukuthi okay.
Yes.
Eyiphi team yake yawina 13 games in a row.
There's no team like that.
Okay, sure, Pete.
Shut up, ngiyabonga.
All the best in
Ngiyabonga.
Egypt.
Ngiyabonga.
Eyithanda so.